guys, it's Gaby here, and I'm making a makeup tutorial video again. The reason why I'm not making videos every day because I kept forgetting to, so I'm making a schedule. So yeah, first you're gonna have to take a headband. Then you're gonna have to put it on so your hair is out of the way. Oh, and yes, my hair is poofy. I will get to that in another video. So we're going to start with the eyeshadow. I got a bunch of palettes here, and I'm gonna get my brush and just see that purple right there? You're going to want to use that one. Just a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm trying to use the camera mirror. I'm just going to use my mirror. Just a little bit of eyeshadow is all it takes. And my dad is the expert of this, but for my younger fans that watch my videos, please get your parents to do this if you don't know how to do makeup. But if you're not old enough, don't do it. I'm 7, I'm allowed to wear makeup. So yeah, I'm trying to use the camera mirror, but I switched on to this mirror. There! Just a little bit of eyeshadow. There! Now, time for the other eye. I'm really bad at it. Ah! I got it on my nose. Hold on, I'm gonna call my dad. Dad! I'm doing the eyeshadow. I already done this eye, but I'm onto the harder eye. I'm using this one right here. It's a really beautiful one.
This one?
Yeah, I'm trying to use the camera mirror, but I switched to this camera, to this mirror.
Sure.
Dad, you never told me how you got so good at makeup. Oh, and say hi to the fans.
Hi, fans. Okay, happy with that?
Yeah. I was just gonna move on to the foundation on my cheeks.
Okay. Don't put on too much, okay?
Yes, Dad.
You need this or not?
Yeah, I'm not showing that on camera. So next on, we're going to move on to foundation on the cheeks, because kind of messed us up. Didn't really make a schedule. So you're going to have to take your beauty blender and just blend. Hold on, I'm using the camera again. I kind of got on the... No, I can just trace that. Hold on, I kind of messed up. Wait, there. onto it. Ah, I kind of put a little too much. There. I'm just gonna blend. Just blend. Okay. There. Perfect. There. So now that we're done with blending and eyeshadow, we're going to close our foundation up. And just now, we're going to move on to... I forgot to close my packet up. And make sure to close your beauty blenders up as well. If you don't have any makeup, If you don't have any makeup and you're not old enough, just don't do it. And we're going to move on to the blush. So just take a little bit of blush and put it on your cheeks. There. Now that I'm done with my cheeks, we're going to move on to jewels. I used a little bit. Well, I used some of them in my house, and I used some of them around my playroom. And this is my playroom. Ta-da! You like it? I know it's messy, but I'm still cleaning that part. So anyway, time to do the jewels. There. And time for this jewel. It's really pretty. It's a diamond. There. And time to move on to the lipstick. I'll just get it. Whoop! I'm back. So we're just gonna move on to the lipstick. And just a little bit of lipstick will make you look pretty. So, yeah. That's the end of my makeup video. Bye.